Good morning, David here with his weekly week look. Today is Friday 24th of June and we are pre-market open 9:15 in the morning, looking at the November UK wheat chart, new crop 2011, and we've got the daily bar chart in front of us. And you can see here that we've had two massive down days, yesterday, Thursday and Wednesday. We're testing major support levels here. On Monday and Tuesday we had a pop back up to test our gap fill again, back up 182. Market didn't hold and it's come all the way down to test a low of 156. These are very, very unusual high volatile days of trading. Obviously this is reflected in the US commodity market as well, and all commodity markets at the moment are flying about. What does that mean for us in this market? As I pointed out to you last week, we are testing a serious holding point for a 1 year trend at this level, between 165 and 163. Now, if this holds, obviously, as I said in my video last week, I was given the bias to the upside because obviously the trend is such well established over a year trend. But obviously this test yesterday was a serious breach of this support level 165. It didn't close below that, and you always have to have a close to break a trend, and at the moment the 165 is just holding. So today will be a very crucial day, today and Monday, to see whether this level does hold or whether it finally breaks and we are then looking at a serious break in a major trend. But as always, we can't predict which way this is going to happen. All we can say is still the bias is to the upside, and this could only just be a temporary test of this line to have a massive upward spurge back up to test the highs of 200. If you look at this candle, you can see that it's got a big wick on the bottom, which means that it's quite a it's uncertainty. Like this was similar, this green candle on the way up. This was the high test. This is the low test. So the market is at a major crossroads at this level. At the moment, say I would still give the bias to an upside bounce back up to the high, but we have to be careful and appreciate that if this 65 now is broken tonight and we do see a close below this level, being Friday night, below 165, you could see a serious down move come Monday, Tuesday next week. So obviously it's important this holds, and I'll just switch charts as we saw last week. You can see this trend line at 30 degrees has been in place since last June, and you can see that as we speak at the moment, last night's close was 164.10. So you can see that I'm seeing this, a lot of other market analysis are seeing this. It's an important level. It needs to hold. If it's broken, then we could quickly see a downwards move down to test 142, which is the next support level. So we're looking at a fair size drop. But as I said on my previous chart, we are still giving the upwards bias to a bounce being the case as it was in March of last year. But obviously a close below that is a signal that we've broken the major upward trend, and then we are into a different phase of this market. So obviously just keep an eye on that. November futures, the level is 165, and obviously if that holds tonight, then we could see an upward move, bounce next week. But if we do see a break and a close below that level, then watch out, we could see a serious deterioration of a long-term yearly trend. So we are a major turning point in the market, and as usual I'll put an update this time next week. Thank you for watching.